boys and girls? Welcome to Gruvgear Guitar and to a cool song from Masego. Masego, I'm not sure about that pronunciation. Still, a great song. Breathe. Okay, so that is what we're gonna do. We're gonna play and breathe and just enjoy this ride. So we're gonna do that with a capo on fifth. That is a very good scenario, in my opinion. Maybe the best, probably. So 4 chords with that: A minor, C, D minor, and F. Let's go and check them out. A minor first. So that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. C next. Simple transition from A minor to Z. Just move up to this position. Third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have D minor next. Open D, second G, third B, first E, and then finally we have the F, which is a bar chord. Index finger on the first fret, you push down all strings there. Then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. That's it. That's the chord progression through the entire song. We have a strumming pattern divided into 2 different parts to have the right strumming and beat as well, the rhythm. So we're gonna go and look into that with the A minor chord. So grab that one first, and one full round, both part 1 and 2 goes like this. So it's about 6 actions, and the break goes right in between there, the third and fourth. So the first part is down, down, down. That's it. So, and then part 2 is clap, down, down. And that together goes down, 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 clap, down, down. All right, so what you're gonna play now is A minor, 1 full round. That means both part 1 and part 2 plus part 1. So you're gonna play down, 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 clap, down, 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 down. Then you shift to C and play just part 2. So you start with a clap on C and then down, down, and that's it. And then you follow the same principle for the next 2 chords. D minor is played in the same way as A minor, 1 full round plus part 1, and F part 2, clap, down, down. So A minor, 1 full round plus part 1, C part 2, D minor, 1 full round plus part 1, and F part 2, like this. Okay guys, so there you have it. Breathe. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.